shit. What is going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with a brand new hair sponsor. Thank you so much. Today only, they sent me a highlighted bob wig. It's like a brown undertone with some bright golden blonde highlights. Modeling today, we have the one and only Junie in the building. All right, you guys, so you already know, before I get into the tutorial, I have to announce my monthly $100 giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, comment below, and leave your Cash App. Have a chance to win $100 in every single product from this video. All right, y'all, so we're back. So I already applied her stocking cap off camera. And if you're wondering what color this is, I believe this is the medium brown from GalaxyGirlHair.com. Now I have 3 complexions on the website. We have the beige, the medium brown, and the dark brown. So if you need your skin tone stocking caps, go ahead and check that out now. All right, so right now I'm taking my lace glue and applying it right in front of the stocking cap because we're about to apply this wig any second now. Now, all my subscribers, I need you to let the new people know what's going on, okay? Liquid lace glue is the only glue that I use on this channel, period, point blank. And if you want your own bottle, head to GalaxyGirlHair.com, baby. All right, y'all, so as I do this install, let's go ahead and get into the shop talk for today. And we have an interesting discussion, so stick around, and y'all already know whatever happens in the shop stays in the shop. All right, so today I want to get into relationships, all right? And more specifically, I want to talk about loyalty. What are the cons of being loyal? What are the pros of being loyal? And can you actually be too loyal? Like, can you be so loyal that it actually ends up in your detriment? All right, so when I talk about relationships, like obviously I'm not telling you guys what to think or how to move. I'm really only talking from my own experience. And not to mention, when I make these videos, I be alone, like in my room, in my living room. So I'm not talking to a crowd of people when I record this. I'm really talking to myself for real. But okay, I will name a few instances where loyalty actually served me well. In the past, I will say relationships, I don't know if loyalty did me any good. Like, for real, to be honest, I'm not even trying to be funny, because my last relationships, like before the one that I'm in now, really did not serve my higher self. They didn't, help me evolve into a better person or a better business person or anything. So I don't really know if being loyal to a guy actually served me any good. Now, I will say that having loyalty toward my core group of friends definitely benefited me, okay? So I've had my group of friends since I was in elementary school. So we're going on almost 20 years at this point, okay? And definitely sticking by their side has benefited me in many ways. All right, so for example, one of my best friends, Finesse Goddess, y'all already know, we've been rocking with each other for well over 15 years. That's been my right-hand man since forever. Like, we've been rocking since we were sneaking in house parties, okay? So we had like an undying loyalty toward each other for really as long as I can remember. And it was weird because it was almost like just a natural attraction and a natural like thing between us where it didn't even have to be mentioned or said or anything, but it just happened to be that every time I had beef, she would defend me. Every time she had beef, I would defend her, and we were just like yin and yang. And as we got older, it kind of became like business transactions where she would come to my house randomly and be like, you need some help? You need me to run some errands for you or whatever, because she knew I was going to do her hair or pay her or both. So it came from fighting for each other to actually having each other's back, like financially and in other ways. And personally for me, I feel like the time I needed her the most actually paid off, because one time I got arrested. I was in jail for like a couple days, like 5 days. But this girl, y'all, was calling the courts every single day, multiple times, demanding that I get a court date. And you know, I can't do that myself. My mom didn't do it. My sister didn't do it. No one did it but her. So just off the strength of our loyalty toward each other, she actually helped me get out of jail sooner, because they were telling me I was gonna have to sit there for 30 days. Okay, so yes, that definitely benefited me, having friends in that moment. Now, I will say that having loyalty toward all friends no, that's not it. You have to literally choose which friends you are loyal to, because some friends will literally drag you down right with them, okay? Like, for example, me having quote unquote loyalty towards certain people that really did not deserve it had me in compromising situations. Like, for example, I would have this friend that really, I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to talk smack about her financial situation or her living situation, but it always felt like her problems were my problems. And that was not the case, but it's almost like I assumed that position because of my loyalty toward her. So I would do her hair for free, I would give her free wigs, I would loan her money, and this girl would not return anything, y'all. Like, literally, not even pay me back. Like, one time I paid her to retwist my hair, or to start my dreads when, before I even was locked up. And y'all, she did my hair so horrible. And she was not trying to give me back my money. And it just made me think, why am I so nice to you? Like, I'm always looking out for you. I'm always doing your hair. Every time you ask me to help you with your makeup, I'm doing that for you too. Giving you free hair products, okay? I'm loaning you money that you're not even paying me back. But when it comes to you literally messing up my hair, you don't want to redo it or give me my money back. That's the type of loyalty that results in your detriment, guys. So, I guess when it comes to loyalty, you really have to use discernment. You can't just be loyal to everyone that smiles in your face, because some people can drag you down. Some people may have ulterior motives versus other people that actually may have some value to give you and actually care about you. So before you start throwing the loyalty word here and there, make sure you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. All right, you guys, now let's discuss loyalty in romantic relationships, all right? Now, I know everyone has a story of them being loyal to the absolute wrong person. Listen, we all been through it. Trust me, I've done it plenty of times, and I learned my lesson. I am notorious for being loyal to guys that don't do nothing for me, that can't do nothing for me, that are honestly a little bit or a lot of bit controlling, really don't want me to be my true self, in fear that I'm going to attract another male or I'm going to find someone better than him. Like, y'all, I had loyalty to a fault. For example, I would be so quote unquote in love with a guy, but honey, the red flags be swinging. Okay, and I'm not paying attention to neither one of them, okay? They'll be controlling, not wanting me to just do simple things like say thank you to a compliment, not wanting me to be able to reconnect or talk to people that I've known in high school, even online, y'all. It was just too much, controlling what I wore, always having an opinion on the tattoos and piercings that I got, just something negative and critical all the time. I couldn't take it. But at the time, I didn't realize that these were signs of controlling behavior. And I just kind of thought that, well, he's just saying this stuff because he cares about me, right? No. Each relationship I was in that had that type of controlling dynamic, I left exhausted and actually extremely grateful, because I couldn't wait till we broke up. So, yeah, I really had to learn that all loyalty is not good loyalty. And if it's draining you or it's making you sad, depressed, angry every other day, or feeling regret, then that's the type of loyalty you don't need to have. And I know this might sound crazy, but it might sound perfectly normal to some people. But even when it comes to family, you can't have undying loyalty towards, because you'll never know how people truly feel about you. Like, just because you may have things, material things, or non-tangible accomplishments or whatever, you'll never know the envy and the jealousy that people may feel. So while you think that, oh, that's just my cousin, like, you know, or that's my sister, my brother, or whatever, like, I have loyalty toward them because we're blood, you'll be surprised. Those be the first people to set you up, okay, or hate on you, or discourage you, or steal from you. So yeah, you have to use discernment with everyone, not just friends and relationships. All right, you guys. So as I pin these curls up, think of a time where you showed too much loyalty to where it actually drained you and it was not beneficial at all. So let me know in the comments and let's talk about this topic. All right, so the curls are done and the pins allow the curls to set a little bit. So now that they're cooled down, now they're nice and bouncy, and when I comb them out, hopefully it keeps most of its curl. And y'all, when I tell you I love these highlights, like, I can't get over these pre-colored wigs. Like, they are just so bomb to me. All right, y'all, so we are finally at the end, and you know, I had to do my sculpting to it so it can look exactly how I wanted, and baby, it's given, okay, period. Once again, thank you so much to Day Only for sponsoring this video with this short bob highlighted wig. If you guys want this exact unit, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. I'll see y'all later, and let's talk about this shop talk in the comments.